Here's the USS Missouri, where the treaty was signed to end the World War II, where this is the Pacific Theater. There's the USS Arizona Memorial. There's Lisa taking a picture. Ford Island.